Welcome to Explore Tucson. Today we're at the Etherton Gallery. This gallery is considered one of the premier photography galleries in the United States, and the moment you walk in, you can understand why. Established in 1981, they are best known for their expertise in post-World War II American and Mexican photography. In over 300 exhibitions and 150 art fairs, the gallery has highlighted the icons of photography and the contemporary artists changing its course. The gallery also makes a point to feature artists of the Southwest and in particular Tucson, with exhibits of top local and regional artists working in a variety of media. During my visit, they were featuring the J. Dussard Cowboy with a Camera exhibit. The exhibit was fantastic, as you can see, and the gallery has a beautiful layout that allows you to truly experience these photographs as you make your way through. With ever-changing exhibits, there are always new artists to experience. There is an upcoming exhibit from renowned photographer Graciela Iturbide. Her exhibit, Graciela Iturbide, Sueños, Símbolos y Narración, Dreams, Symbols, and Storytelling, will be on display from September 20th through November 26th. The Etherton Gallery has a well-earned reputation in the art world, including a very knowledgeable staff. However, don't let this intimidate you. Everyone there was extremely kind and just wanted to share their passion. If you're a fan of photography, visiting this gallery is a must. So where should we explore next?